I'm Lars from Airhawk and Danny Gray. Today we're going to show you how to install your T-bracket for your solo seat with a detachable pillion on your Danny Gray seat. It only takes a couple minutes, pretty simple. Watch this clip. When you buy your Danny Gray seat, specifically your solo seat, it's going to come with a package attached to the back with the mounting hardware. And you're going to see on the touring bikes that they have the two bolts under here. We're going to loosen those up. Take the T-bracket, put it in place. You can use either the bolts that are provided with the kit or the factory Harley bolts. It doesn't really matter. Just get the bracket in place. Just tighten it so it's nice and snug. And that's so much for your T-bracket. The next part of the installation is going to be putting the seat. This one is the big seat, the Danny Gray big seat. Has the tongue here, goes up in the late model touring. Presses right into place. And then it lines up with the T-bracket that's right here. Put the nylon washer down below. Metal washer on top. Then put the acorn nut on it. And tighten it up. And there it is, you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to call our customer service. Thanks for watching.